Just popped down to check out Lawrence's Mk2 again. He's had it all wired up now, and Wayne's been messing about with the dash and the ECU, and they've actually got it to fire up. Wayne's just putting a street tune in it. Check out the dash.
Wait, keep on it.
That's wicked. Simple things, man. Simple things. Too funny.
I'm going to buy one of these with a Land Rover just for
that.
Just for the pictures. So you can
So what have you done since the last time I come over? Everything's plumbed up. You got water in the
Mate, we've got a problem with the exhaust, mate. Let's sort it out.
Yeah, I don't know what that is, though.
Yeah, you've got a pretty big problem with the exhaust.
I can't believe how many. There's only like 5 bolts holding this whole flange on.
I'll take the turbo off and check that.
Have you checked that the flange is actually flat, straight?
Well, it's been sanded when I got it. You see, he's had it on a flat sander sanding it.
What is?
That manifold was all flat. You can see someone sanding it, so on a flat.
Did you put a flat edge on it and check it?
Yeah.
Yeah, go on then. Fire up. Coming out the flat end when it's all that's not spinning on either one. Is there anything flying out of that pipe? Nah.
What about the 4 bolts underneath?
The bottom of this gasket looks a little bit out.
On where?
There's something wrong there, mate. Was it loose?
It wasn't loose, but I'll put the gasket in a better position.
Sounds funny, doesn't it?
Have you tightened up the flange? Quite tight. You need a bigger spring in that, man. That's
no, feel it.
No, you need a bigger spring. Double them up.
I'll run on low boost, mate. I don't want this thing to be mooching. Cruising in the jacuzzi.
So the water pump's all plumbed in. The rad's full of water, and all the water leaks are welded up now.
That's alright. Once, twice, and again.
That's cool, there's some water in it.
That's proper.
That's full power. You can set these to anyone you want. Look,
You can feel it in the radio. Yeah, man.
press of that on you.
2 bar of boost in your water system. That's crazy. That's proper.
You can turn it right down, look.
Show me the setup on this. So you got all tube front end on it now. This is a proper off-roading bit of kit. Headlights. LED headlights in it.
Got the
Made up all these plates. Got the bead locks on it.
There you go.
Oh, hang on, Wayne's having a go.
Problem is,
go on.
it weren't V'd. So this was leaning up, this is higher and that side was lower. That's alright though.
Yeah, man. That hole.
That's alright, isn't it?
Give me a go on that after.
Are you going to blow holes in it?
That goes like that, we've got a bezel on it.
Oh, I've got to come off-roading with you in this thing.
Mate, you'll love it, trust
Get some
me.
GoPros on it.
You'll love it.
Where's the exhaust out now? Have you banged it out the side? Snorkel. Side exit.
Powerful, mate. She's gutted the side. Gearbox is out there.
Get the scoop in the video, mate.
Does it work? Is it charged up? We'll go for a raz in a bit.
Fully charged up, mate.
Yeah, Wayne's death trap scooter. So we're just going to weld up the downpipe quickly and then put it on and see what it sounds like. Ah, this hasn't got the brushless motor in it.
Yeah, it's brushless,
Oh, it is brushless.
but it's just
And how many batteries?
3. They're 70
Lithium
volt.
ion ones.
Lithium ion, yeah, 70 volt, I think.
And what's the speed controller on it?
It's a.
Is that the one that connects to your phone?
It's a Vesk. Yeah, it's a Vesk, but it's a.
Oh look, it's got the Digi dash on it and everything.
It's 500 amp.
Yeah, I'll pop that in.
Would you push play or something?
It's already recording. It should just self.
You have to give it a little shove first.
Or get it going.
Yeah, get it going. I'll give it a shove. No, don't.
Yeah, man, it's fast. Check it out. See me racing the D.
Yeah, I just see down the seat, he's going, past it over.
It is. Fucking dangerous, mate. Fucking dangerous.
She's flying.
Yeah.
Yeah, and you just got this on the road.
Yeah. I think last month, innit? About a month now.
Immaculate.
Perfecto.
YB.
Yep.
Looks good on the 7.5 J wheels.
We've
Yeah,
got a
RS.
YB in it. Fucking Honda, mate. Underneath as well.
Yeah, I bet. Is it on Atlas axle? And is it leaf spring still or
Leaf springs here.
old school? Nice. The
Quite
interior.
linked
What
as
seats?
well.
What seats are these?
Ah, there's 16 in it.
All retrimmed.
Yeah.
It's comfortable and you can drive it.
Yeah, I left as much original as possible.
Yeah, she's mint.
And then, like, if you didn't know, if you couldn't hear, it could be
You
just.
won't
I mean,
That's
yeah, it's
it,
got
It's
cut
got a
slicks
big
on it and big wheels on it,
Yeah.
but apart from that,
That's
it
it.
looks old school and as it should be. Yes.
Beautiful there. Look at it. Apart from the ratchet strap.
you know how much that tire
Oh,
cost
that's
me?
mint.
How much?
40 quid.
For the tyre?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And it's brand new, look at it.
Clutch.
Was it two,
I could not find one, mate.
225, 45?
Yeah.
But yeah.
I can't find them
That's what I
tires
need to
anymore.
buy.
Which is from eBay.
Yeah.
That's what I need of mine, that size. 225,
It's
45.
brand new, that tire. Look at that.
So now it's all running. What's the plan?
I'm going to get the pedal box in,
Yeah.
brake pipes.
You're
throttle
just going to
cable.
run copper or steel lines for now.
I've got all the copper pipes already made from
Before.
before.
Have you
They're
got
not that
you got
great, but they
calipers
get
and
it
stuff
going.
on it?
Yeah, you got the calipers on it. What we got in there? Yeah, look, all the pipes are done. Look, see, I've got to just do the main up there, bit of copper. They're all made up on there as well.
And then yeah, pedal box, mount seats. Although you might get different seats because you're not too keen on them ones. And then tidy all the wiring up.
Yeah.
Just cable tie it all up underneath the dash. Have you got the power steering hooked up yet?
No, that's what you can do
that.
done in 2 minutes. If you want to lie to it.
Are you going to get it running, looking like this?
Yeah, we'll
bang
just
some
drive it.
bang some glass in it. Drive it glass.
New lift, quick shift.
That's nice. Where'd you get the little kickback thing from? You make that?
No, it's Cube Motorsport or something.
Oh yeah.
Because the other one was here, and that's my seat's here, so I'm proper reaching to get it.
Yeah.
So hopefully this could give me enough. If it don't, I might just add a little piece on if I need to.
Yeah, you can cut that, sleeve it.
Yeah. Oh, the steering wheel as well.
Yeah, you want like some deep dish
Deep dish.
racing one. does look
And
good.
the lighting loop, I think we'll leave the lighting loop till it's all
Can you not buy an off-the-shelf lighting loop for
Put
these?
the original wiring loop,
Oh, there you go.
cut the lights out of it, and then just have that on the power switch, just so it's all separate.
Yeah. Oh, you see, you moved all this up. That's better.
I'll finish off this bracket. This bracket was sort of for this on this side.
Yeah.
See, it's shorter. So now I'll try and get Wayne to see if he can plasma cut me the same. This meant to go underneath.
What does that hold? Just the.
Holds this on the end. This is like loose sort of thing. It just
Yeah, that's weird.
locks it in. Yeah.
How come you had to mount it on this side? You can't
Because
mount it
yeah,
there.
the water pipe's coming right out where it is. I don't know what they expect you to do with it when they sell it to you.
Figure it out. Budget. Well, shortly after that, I had to head home, so that's it for another video. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to check out the Big Cartel site with all the FPE merch, and until next time, I'll catch you guys later. Take it easy.